Hi, in this video we are going to see Java selection statement switch case. Okay, so let us take one scenario. Suppose one person goes to a restaurant and he is asked to give feedback, and feedback can be one. If it is one, then it is food is below average. If the feedback is two, means food is average. If the feedback is three, means food is good. If the feedback is 4, then food is excellent. So let us write a switch case statement for this. Let us declare a variable feedback. Okay, and we can assign some value. For example, I assign value 3. Then we can use switch case statement in order to print the feedback text. Okay, switch. Let's give this feedback inside this switch. Then we can have case 1 system dot out dot println. Okay. If it is 1, means food is below average. Okay, then we need a break statement. Then case 2, let's have system dot out of println and break food is average. Then let us have case 3, food is good. And case 4, food is excellent. Okay, let us see how it works. So the feedback is value 3 is assigned to the variable feedback. So this feedback is actually compared with these cases. The case for which the value is matched. For example, in this case it is 3, so it is matching with the case at line number 16 is matched. So those statements under that case will get executed, and once we use the break, the control will come out of the switch case. Okay, so if you don't use break, then it will go to the next case also. Okay, let us run this code and see the output. Let us suppose I will give 2, feedback equal to 2. Let us run this code and see the output. See, food is average is printed. Okay, suppose if I comment this break, line number 15, I comment it. So in this case, what will happen? Let us see. So if you don't have break, then food is average also printed, food is good also printed. So since there is a break at line number 18, it is come out of the switch case statements. Okay, so this is how the switch case works.